Really not these crystal clear blue skies today over Denver, huh?
No, we'll call them milky blue. How about that? You can just see this moisture coming in. In fact, take a look here from our rooftop, and there you go. You see the patches of blue, but you also see the higher shield of clouds up at the high levels. These clouds are way up there, probably 20,000 feet. So it will stay dry. No precipitation coming from these clouds today, but they're thick enough in spots. They're shielding a little bit of the sunshine, so it does make it a little bit chilly if you're in the shade. We are in the 40s for the most part on the Eastern Plains. A few places still in the 30s, 50 now at Akron. We are in the 30s for the most part in the high country and on the western slope with a few 20s. Poor Gunnison, you're a tough place to get the cold air out of the valley. You're up to 8 though. You were below 0, so you are making a little bit of progress there in the valley. Jeff, our weather watcher in Parker, 48 degrees. It's 40 on the other side of town in Southwest Lakewood at Ron's house. Here's current satellite radar. It really looks socked in, but again, these are very high clouds, high level cloud cover, so it's not as bad as it looks. It's way out ahead of the storm system that we're talking about here off the coast of Southern California. It'll be making a trek inland. In fact, here it goes. Watch, it comes on shore sometime later today into early tomorrow, cruises through the desert southwest and pulls a little moisture into the region along with some colder air down on the backside. Now, with all lows to the south, track is critical here. If this thing shifts 75 miles north or 75 miles south, it will completely change the forecast. So something you'll have to stay with us as we track it tomorrow. Here's Futurecast as it stands now. That low comes on shore overnight tonight, sending more clouds into the state tomorrow. Then sometime tomorrow afternoon or evening, we'll see a cold front come in from the north, and that'll help kick up some snow in parts of the high country. And as it stands now, by Friday morning, it does look like we'll start to see some snow develop right here along the Front Range. I want to show you two models, one on the lower end here. It's just kind of a skiff of snow for northern Colorado with some heavier totals in the south, but this model is a little more aggressive with a more of a shovelable, even a plowable type snowfall here along the Front Range. Again, all about the track, so we'll just watch that for you very closely. I took the high temperatures down a degree or two due to the cloud cover. 30s and 40s still expected up high, 40s and 50s on the Eastern Plains. Here's our 5-day forecast for Denver. And it's the 52 today, Alan. I was tempted to go to 49 just because of these clouds. So bottom line, upper 40s, low 50s today with a mix of sun and clouds. Tomorrow we should tick the temperature up just a little bit. The clouds increase. A front comes through tomorrow night. It'll get windy. It'll get colder. Friday we have that chance of snow, and then we'll see that storm boot out of here Saturday and Sunday. So here's the summary. We do know something's coming. It turns colder. Chance of snow. Final totals will depend on the track, and we'll know a little bit more once it gets on shore tonight.
Well, keep watching there. And I often wonder whether you're tempted to just make it like 80. You know, you're saying I was tempted to go to 49. Just go 80.
You know, your gut wants to sometimes, but then I would disappoint you.
You and that accuracy.
Right.
All right, keep track of that snow coming in with our free CBS 4 Weather on the Go app. Just search CBS Denver Weather in your app store. Here in Colorado,